Hey, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel video. And in this video, I want to talk about two steps. The first step is I want to update my progress about the task management part implementation in DataView system. Second part is I will talk about the experiment we need to do in the SCC paper. So this workflow is designed for the SCC, and so in the workflow we have, if we don't count the jobs writer and jobs reader into the workflow task, and the whole workflow task is we have 10 tasks, and then in each task we use the uh, Barber sorting algorithm, and we want to calculate the task execution time in one can virtual machine. Right now we're using the free virtual machine in Amazon EC2, and in the later we will do the experiment in the much faster virtual machine in Amazon EC2. So as you can see here, so this is I did the experiment last night. So the first is we can see that workflow execution time is total is 67. So this is use the local engine to execute this workflow, and here is we use the Amazon EC2 to execute this workflow. So you can see that workflow execution time is 100 seconds, and this is the message sent from the master node to the server node. We will send the usernames, workflow names, the running ID, and this task name. This is the whole workflow schedule. So it means that for each task, we need to map each task to each one virtual machine. So you can see that this part is working successfully. And so right now, the data movement part, maybe we need to change to the file. So if we use a file, and I think it's more easy to measure the execute data movement time. So this is the idea of the data movement part. So maybe you can give me some suggestion. And so if you want to calculate the other execute time in some other cancel faster virtual machines, we need to go here, and we should first we need to request the instance. Then we will go to the Amazon EC2, and we collect the community AMIs, and we just copy our image ID, and we select. And here we can just use whatever we want. Maybe we can talk about which virtual machine type we need to use to do this experiment. This is what I want to talk about. Any suggestion are welcome. Thank you. Oh, at last I want to mention that if you run one specific workflow, no matter you use the local machine or you use the cloud machine, and you need to clean the Dropbox output file. And because sometimes you may have the same Dropbox writer file name. So if the name is the same, and you will have some error information from the uploading this specific file from the local to the Dropbox part. So thank you for listening.